Hey friends, this is Atif Opirval and welcome to the update on Maker. In my earlier video, I was showing you that the price end of Maker broke out another down channel, and this was my last video, by the way. And now, if we take a look at the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice short pump, but the price and got rejected by this long-term resistance of $22. That was recently breaking other resistance here, and for a few weeks, it has been breaking other resistance here, and here it was also breaking other resistance in here. For several months, it has been breaking as a very strong support, and now the price and is very close to test the previous resistance of the channel as support. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long term down channel as well. By the way, I have been also showing you this previous down channel before the breakout, and this was one of those videos when I was showing you this breakout when it was happening, and I was telling you that after the breakout from this channel, you can expect a very, very massive rally. And so far, you can see that from this low to the current high, it has rallied almost to more than 711%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $4,000. And after this rejection, the price then dropped down, and now recently we got rejected by this $2,200 resistance level. And in today's video, we will also analyze this rally. I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Maker that I shared on 24th of June 2022 with my members, and that is a very big harmonic bullish reversal garlic pattern that Maker formed on a monthly time frame chart. And therefore, this was a quite long-term trade signal. And so far, this signal has produced more than 550% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, and I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of December 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for ADX, you just need to click on the link for the setup, and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can watch the complete trade setup, like the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. Here you can watch buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And you can also watch when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared a few days ago on 26th of December 2024. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the long-term trade signal for Maker that I shared on 24th of June 2022, almost 2 years ago, with my members, and that was a very big harmonic bullish reverse garlic pattern that Maker formed on a monthly time frame chart with US dollar pair. And by the way, the sell targets that I've defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this card, they start from 34,094 dollars and goes to $5,359. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied up to $4,050. And this was almost more than 550%, very, very massive pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of Maker. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. Recently, you can see that for the past several weeks, a month, it has been moving inside this channel since after the month of March 2024. And here we had a fake out from this channel, but the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of $3,150. That was previously working at the resistance here. And before that, this $3,150 has been breaking at the resistance here. And therefore, again, after the breakout from this channel, here after the fake out from this channel, we got rejected and re-entered the same channel. Now, recently we have broken out the resistance of the channel with the price and it's once again rejected by this long-term resistance of $2,200. And now the price line is about to retest the previous resistance of the channel as support. It's also possible that the price line may test these two support levels together, the long-term support of $1,250 and the support, the resistance of the channel as a support. By the way, this $1,250 has been previously working at a very strong support here. And before that, for several weeks a month, it has been working at a resistance here and resistance here as well. Now, if you take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this channel, that is here at the top of the channel at $4,000. Now let's move to this previous breakout from this big and long-term down channel. And you can see that despite this very, very major and massive rally, the price and so far could not hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That technical target is here at the top of the channel. That is somewhere between $6,500 to $7,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.